wonderful things like trees, animals, oceans, and mountains. Everything we need to survive, like clean air, water, and comes from Earth. That's why it's so important that we take care of it. Sometimes people do things that hurts the earth. the, like polluting the air cutting down too many trees. But we, we can help by doing simple things like picking up saving waters and planting trees. Remember, if we all do a little, we can make a big difference in, in keeping our planet healthy and beautiful for future generations. It's our work, whether to protect our